sixth parameter we want to calculate here is that what is the sixth parameter we calculating here? Peak factor. So it is also having a ratio of definition, that ratio of peak voltage to RMS voltage. Peak factor is the ratio of peak voltage to RMS voltage. So peak factor peak voltage on the numerator, RMS voltage on the denominator. Right. For half wave rectifier, we consider sinusoidal input. So what is the maximum value there? Peak value. Peak value of the input. Yes, Vm. So Vm is the peak voltage for our input wave. Next, RMS voltage means Vm by 2. So ultimately Vm get cancelled. What we get? Peak factor 2. So this is the fifth parameter, form factor, and sixth parameter, peak factor. Both are unitless parameters. Once again I am telling, both are unitless parameters. Why? Because they are ratio of same units. So numerator and denominator are same unit. So ultimately